Hey up sports bike fans, it's Will at Jordanbikes and look what I've got for sale. This is a BMW S1000RR, this one's a sport. Gorgeous bike, 2015 15 plate, full BMW history, 12,099 miles. It is due another service, so we are going to give it a service before I leave our fine selves. Cracking bikes these, go like the clappers, it's got the quickshifter, auto blipper, all the good things that you want for the road and the track. This one's got the slick key as well, just under the seat, so it's ready for that. Cruise control if you want to take it steady. Also, power modes, things as you'd expect on one of these style of bikes. Seat cowl, electronic suspension, ABS, yeah. Also, hazard lights. Yeah, give it a start up. Don't want to give it too much, I've not warmed it up, but you can get the feeling that is an absolute beast. And if your little hands get cold, it's also got heated grips on there as well. Stunning bike, both sides finished off in the obviously the blue, white and red. Anyway guys, you've seen the bike, all you need to do, pop down to Jordanbikes, give us a call, cheers.
Hi, I'm Nick and thank you for watching the video. Just to let you know, the bike you've just seen will go through our workshop with a fine-tooth comb and we will put a 3-month parts and labour warranty on it. We're so confident it's a good bike that we're happy to extend that for 1, 2 or even 3 years. We also offer finance and PCP on all our bikes subject to status, and the PCPs are on bikes up to 4 years old. So if you like it, give us a call and get it bought before somebody else does. Thank you. Cheers.